My name is Nancy Martin. I'm a large animal veterinarian. And that means I spend a lot of my time driving from ranch to ranch, working on preventive health projects for cattle, sheep, swine, humane animal rescue. The first ranch might be a place where I'm semen testing bulls. Why am I doing that? Because one bull produces about 30 to 50 calves annually, and if his semen is no good or he's lame or he can't do his job, people want to know about it. Maybe the next ranch is pregnancy detection in some cows.
Okay, let's pull him right up over here.
And use all your best handling skills. Hi, good boy. Then maybe I'll go over to a horse ranch and I'll be looking at somebody's horse who has maybe not a lameness, but a performance deficit. About 80% of the profession is now female. I think the profession is associated with caregiving, nurturing, developing, prevention. Those things kind of all go together. So we're recognizing that being a healthy animal or a companion to us involves a more holistic look at their health care. In humans, we know bad teeth, dental disease can contribute to heart disease and kidney disease. It does the same thing in animals. This treatment for Meta is to help her with stiffness, and so we want to make sure that they have a long life and then the best quality of life. When they're well cared for and their needs within their species are met, we get a better product. We feel better about how we got that product, and we feel better about ourselves.